So a boat for Greg and his good lady, and the roof's been sanded in a lava lamp effect, which you probably don't appreciate from the video. There's some paisley designs on the back doors, and this is the name of the boat, Forever Changes. Full paint job, took 8 days, long days, because of all the detailed work here. The one design going up, and we wanted paisley here and there along the side as well, and one design going down. Took 8 days, I said that, didn't I? And at the front here is the name again, with the kind of lava lamp effect there, with the paisley sanded areas of lava lamp, not paisley, lava lamp splodges there. And yeah, a boat you probably won't forget if you see it going down the canal. Bye. Another happy customer.